You really sealed it. Dear Joanne, here we are. The day has finally arrived. I'm 100% on board with you and I as a team. Right now, I don't feel nervous, just very excited. Excited to be your husband, excited to make you happy, excited to share our future of common goals. I know we'll enjoy our special day no matter what, because we're together. Let's give this our best shot. Ah, that's sweet.
A wedding letter to Alex. I have yet to grasp the true enormity of what is about to happen today. I wasn't that girl growing up envisioning her wedding day. Today, as a product of your love, I'm going to get dressed up, as glamorous as I will ever be, and walk towards you to present myself as your wife. I see her. She's sparkling. You look so beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Very nice.
No, you can't kiss me yet. You can't kiss me yet. Oh my God.
And okay.
It looks spectacular. Oh my goodness.
Alex and Joanne, we live in a time when sometimes it feels like very few things are considered sacred. But today, we are here to celebrate a sacred agreement between the two of you. Your lives alone were full and rich. And when you took a chance on the internet and then on each other, to quote Alex, it's not what I expected, but happy to. And not what I expected has been the case ever since. We are gathered here today to join in marriage, Alex and Joanne. Now, our lives are a story. Each day is a page in that story, and today we're simply turning a new page.
My dear Joanne, I want to take this moment to say what really matters. We come from very different backgrounds. Some might even say we're an unlikely couple. My friends have told me I'm brighter and more alive and more engaged when I'm with you. And it's you, it's all because of you.
Alex, I stand here before you and I present myself to you as your wife. I choose you because you are the coolest, cleanest, and even the most organized and helpful man I know. I will be your partner in all of life's adventures, and I will continue to create a home together filled with harmony. I want to take on the world or future with you by my side.
Through our journey so far, there have been ups and downs that you have weathered through, and you have learned what you can be together. So I ask you, do you stand here now to give yourselves freely to each other in marriage? If so, say, we do.
We do.
We do.
It is indeed my great pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife and best friends for life, but you may kiss your bride.
You're my partner in life, my favourite person to be with. I see you, and I vow to be by your side. If you hold my hand, I'll always hold yours, and we can do anything as long as we're together.